I'm Jim from North Texas, and this is my ProPlugger. For my COVID project, I re-landscaped my plain-looking front yard. Over time, the shade from my 12 large oak trees weakened my St. Augustine grass, so I converted 3/4 of my yard to ground cover, flower beds, and stone walkway, using almost 1,700 Asian jasmine plugs. Wow, not too many folks want to dig that many holes. While researching how this could be done without back surgery, I discovered the ProPlugger, such a simple device that works so well. My neighbor and I dug and plugged for a few days, finishing way ahead of schedule and saving my back. The ProPlugger never clogged and dug a uniform hole every time. I can't tell you how critical this little tool was to the success of my project.